Talking Parrot. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a little girl named Maya. Maya loved animals and had a special fascination for birds. One day, while exploring the nearby forest, Maya stumbled upon a colorful parrot sitting on a branch. To her surprise, the parrot started talking. "Hello there, Maya," it greeted her. Maya's eyes widened in astonishment. "Wow! You can talk?" she asked the parrot, her excitement growing. "Yes, indeed," replied the parrot. "I'm a magical parrot with the ability to speak. I can also grant wishes." Maya couldn't believe her luck. She thought for a moment and said, "Dear parrot, I wish to become the best singer in the world." The parrot nodded and said, "Your wish is my command." From that day onward, Maya discovered her incredible singing talent. She practiced diligently, singing beautiful melodies that enchanted everyone who listened. Her voice soared high in the air, spreading joy and happiness throughout the village. As news of Maya's extraordinary singing talent spread far and wide, a famous music producer heard about her. He invited Maya to perform at a grand concert in the city. Maya was overjoyed and accepted the opportunity. The day of the concert arrived, and Maya took the stage with confidence. As soon as she started singing, the audience was captivated by her sweet and melodious voice. People cheered, clapped, and praised her incredible talent. Maya's dream had come true, and she had become a renowned singer. She thanked the talking parrot for granting her wish and helping her discover her hidden talent. Maya continued to share her gift with the world, spreading happiness through her music. And as for the talking parrot, it remained Maya's faithful friend, always by her side, encouraging her and reminding her of the power of her voice. And they lived happily ever after, singing and bringing joy to people's hearts.